A smart investor understands the risks that are associated with initial coin offerings and crypto assets in general, and is careful in deciding whether to invest in these products.
There are additional risks to investing in initial coin offerings, cryptocurrencies, and crypto assets. Some of the positives and negatives are shown on screen, but I want to highlight the particular risk of fraud. Whilst the blockchain is a more secure way of recording transactions, you still need to do your research to make sure the firm you're dealing with is legitimate and can deliver what they promise. We've published a leaflet on investing in crypto assets and a set of frequently asked questions to help you protect yourself. These can be found in the consumer area of our website.
A smart investor does not forget about the importance of due diligence when considering investments in online and digital environments.
If you're planning to invest in digital or online investments, take extra care. Ask yourself whether you really know who is behind the offer, and if so, are they credible? Do they have a track record? Do they even exist? Are there other reliable sources which talk about those people being involved in that investment? What information have you got about what you're investing in? Are there details about the investment? Fraudsters will use lots of technical language and jargon to make them difficult to understand. Are the claims made supported by evidence? Most importantly, do you understand it? Could you explain it to your grandparents so they would understand it? Is the website or email address recognizable? Look out for anything that just doesn't look right. Take extra precautions to protect your personal information, and if you're not sure, don't do it.
A smart investor recognizes the red flag warning signs of online investment fraud.
Online fraud can be very sophisticated, but there are some red flags you should look out for. For example, poor spelling or grammar. Serious proposals are professional. The pressure to invest. Countdown clocks may be used to create a sense of urgency. You're more likely to invest in a limited time deal. No time frame on the initial coin offering. Serious ICOs will have a deadline as they will need the funds to start or develop the business. Unrealistic returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Guarantees. Is there anything backing the guarantee? Also, claiming to be regulated. Check the regulator's website to make sure they are regulated, and also check what they're regulated for. Vague or non-existent information. Do you know what the company will do with your money? The literature should explain this and set out who is behind it and their backgrounds. Make sure the company exists and it is not in a residential location.
A smart investor knows that most legitimate firms do not allow their customers to use credit cards to make investments.
If an investment asks for your credit card details, be careful. Ask yourself, why would you pay for an investment with something that charges you a high rate of interest?
A smart investor never invests based solely on a celebrity endorsement.
Celebrities and influencers are often paid to endorse products, and they may not actually understand the product. In some cases, scammers may use celebrity images to pretend the product is endorsed without knowledge of that celebrity. Before investing, always make sure you are satisfied the investment is legitimate and you understand the products and the risks.
We hope you found our guide to smart investing online useful. The Isle of Man Financial Services Authority publishes a range of guides in the consumer area of its website.